I'm going to be showing you how you can bypass MAC address filtering. It's common for wireless networks to use it to control who can access the network and who can't, and it's flawed because anyone can easily spoof the MAC address. It only takes like one command on a NIC system, and as long as your network card supports passive mode, you can easily figure out which MAC addresses are out there. Well, first I'm going to show that I'm actually can't connect here. The selected network uses an access control list to restrict access when this computer is not in the list. Alright. So, we're just going to have to figure out which computers are on the list. So to do that, I'm going to use Kismac, and your network interface card is going to have to support passive mode in order to do this, because we're not connecting to a network before we're doing any scanning. Here's the network, and here's the router. That's just the broadcasts they're making. And when a computer checks to see which networks are connected, which I just did when I clicked that, and right here is my MAC address, it'll come up. So right now on my other computer I'm connecting to the network. Here it is. So since that one came up and you can see that data is actually being sent, it had to have communicated with the router, and here no data was sent, so it's blocked. So you can just leave it running for a while, check which MAC addresses have data sent to them, and those are the ones you could use. So now I just need to change my MAC address to the one that has access to it, and I should be able to connect to the network. And right now I'm doing this on Mac OS 10 box. I'll show you how to do it on Linux in a minute. Part of it was hidden on me. There we go. Okay, and you can see that mine matches it. If you were on Linux, you would type this. And whatever MAC address you have here, you'd run that, then you'd do sudo ifconfig Ethel or whatever card you have up to turn your card back on, and the changes would be made. So now I'm going to connect back to the network, and this time I should be able to connect. Oh, right now since I'm in passive mode, I can't connect, so I gotta close Kismac and then do it. Oh. Shit. And connected. I'll just open up a web page. The internet, and idea to people would have the right tool on a system that would and gain access.